Welcome, today in front of me CHUWI HiPad X, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So let's first open the notification panel, and after that we can see here all the visible icons. If you want to add here more icons or to remove some of them or just to change their position, just click here on this pencil to edit icon, and now we can see here all the available icons which we can add to our device top bar here. So just to add the icon, hold the icon and drag it here to this up section by this way. As can you see, that's so simple to do. To remove some icons from here, by the same way, hold it and drag it to the down section, and to change the positions, just hold them and drag. So as we can see, that's so simple to do. To save the changes, just click here to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.